Check out this new 2011 Ford Super Duty F-350 DRW. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Super Duty F-350 DRW boasts a 6.2-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the XL Decor Group, Torque Shift 6-speed Select Shift automatic transmission with odd, Snowplow Prep package, Trailer Brake Controller, XL Series Order Code, Power Equipment Group, 6.2 LSOHCFE 16-valve flex fuel engine, steel, HD vinyl 40/20/40 split bench seat, LT 245/75R17 EBSW tires, 3.73 axle ratio and the Oxford White. Call 800-584-6486 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.